Welcome to the Fluent Words, one of the finest destination where you can assess your knowledge of English vocabulary and grammar rules. Today's exercise consists of 25 questions for 50 marks, and you would have 10 seconds to answer each. If you figure out any of the answer before 10-second mark, be sure to let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share with your interested friends. She, blank, the report thoroughly before she, blank, her manager. A is the correct option. She reviewed the report thoroughly before she met her manager. Neither the manager nor the employees, blank, aware of the changes that, blank, implemented. B is the correct option. Neither the manager nor the employees is aware of the changes that were implemented. If he, blank, more effort, he, blank, the project on time. C is the correct option. If he had put more effort, he would have completed the project on time. The report, blank, by the analyst and submitted, blank, the director. A is the correct option. The report was prepared by the analyst and submitted to the director. She enjoys, blank, new places and hopes, blank, to Europe next year. D is the correct option. She enjoys visiting new places and hopes to travel to Europe next year. The conference will be held, blank, Monday at blank, University Auditorium. B is the right answer. The conference will be held on Monday at the University Auditorium. She is, blank, at writing reports and presents them, blank, to the audience. A is the right answer. She is good at writing reports and presents them clearly to the audience. The project, blank, completed by tomorrow, or the team, blank, face penalties. C is the right answer. The project must be completed by tomorrow, or the team will face penalties. The candidate, blank, qualifications were impressive, was offered, blank, job. B is the right answer. The candidate, whose qualifications were impressive, was offered the job. He is fluent, blank, French, and is planning to study at blank International University. A is the right answer. He is fluent in French and is planning to study at an international university. Only after the meeting, blank, the truth, and the team, blank, respond accordingly. D is the correct option. Only after the meeting did they discover the truth, and the team could respond accordingly. Blank of the employees agreed, blank, the new policy. A is the correct option. Many of the employees agreed with the new policy. The project blank completed on time and submitted blank the client. D is the correct option. The project will be completed on time and submitted to the client. She completed the task blank and efficiently, blank, impressing her supervisor. C is the correct option. She completed the task quickly and efficiently, thereby impressing her supervisor. Blank completed the assignment first will receive a bonus. Blank, the rest will have to submit it by tomorrow. B is the correct option. Whoever completed the assignment first will receive a bonus, while the rest will have to submit it by tomorrow. They are looking forward, blank, the conference, and blank, new business partners. B is the right answer. They are looking forward to attending the conference and meeting new business partners. He is interested in blank, foreign languages, and is passionate, blank, traveling. D is the right answer. He is interested in learning foreign languages and is passionate about traveling. She wrote blank, detailed report and submitted it blank, the manager. D is the right answer. She wrote the detailed report and submitted it to the manager. If they blank more time, they blank complete the project successfully. A is the right answer. If they had more time, they could complete the project successfully. The document blank reviewed thoroughly. Before it blank published. C is the right answer. The document had been reviewed thoroughly before it was published. You blank complete the assignment blank to avoid penalties. B is the correct option. You must complete the assignment promptly to avoid penalties. She succeeded blank her career because she worked hard blank her goals. C is the correct option. She succeeded in her career because she worked hard towards her goals. The employee blank performance was outstanding blank promoted. B is the correct option. The employee whose performance was outstanding was promoted. He is known blank his dedication and admired blank his creativity. D is the correct option. He is known for his dedication and admired for his creativity. The CEO spoke blank confidence and addressed the issue blank. A is the correct option. The CEO spoke with confidence and addressed the issue directly. Thanks for watching complete video.